painting a parrot, and see, sorry guys, we don't have light right now and the whole world is locked. And we're in a vacation. Yeah. And we should not go out because the coronavirus is here already. And please, guys, please pray for the world. Please, please. Now, okay, let's start our paintings. Sorry, guys, my brush is too small. Okay, I need green. Okay. See, guys, my dad taught me to do on the line like this. And then we do straight over there. And here. See this? Now we are gonna do a straight line here. So guys, see my painting? Is it nice or not? I'm copying this thing. And see, do you know parrots cannot eat chocolate because it is poisonous to their body. What the heck? What? Chocolate are not poisonous. Oh, for parrots. Of course. I'm getting a bit silly. I don't know why. Okay. I'm not done. We need to add a lot of green. See? Again. What the heck? Oops. Oh, good. Why is my little sister crying? Okay. Now, oh. My brush is too small for me. Like I'm doing. See? Yellow is wasted now. I mean, not. Oh, yeah. Slowly. Okay. See this, guys? I'm running out of green here. Gotta shake that thingy up. Whoa. So, guys, we cannot go out, but we can go just in our area. And this morning, I just went outside to have a fresh air and ride my cycle. And one man said that don't go over there because, yeah, police are checking there and some guys has been caught by the police and, yeah, they have get bitten by the police. So, guys, we're not going over there and that's dangerous. And you guys should not go there too. Because if the police catch us, they'll beat us and they'll take us to the police station and do whatever they want. So, we're here home locked down. And I ride my bicycle in the area, our area. And my sister also rides the big one. I ride a bit my age one. So, guys. But some people has get caught by the police and oh my god, there's a lot of paint here. First things first, you gotta take your paint ready. I haven't put water in that reddish orange. This one, reddish orange. I don't know. So. Yeah. And that's my mom. feeding milk to our little sister. She's 1 year old. No. She seems to be 2 years old. Like when we look at our sister, like my small sister, I just think that she's 2 years old, but she's 1. Of course, her birthday went. Bye-bye. First things first, you gotta, line up your paint. And see, guys, here I have all my paints, but one's missing. I don't know, where did it go? Daddy just put it somewhere. See my painting. Now let's paint first. I don't want to spend time by talking and talking always. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot, I didn't line up. Shoot. It's okay, guys. This is just my school, but I am already 2 class. This is my 1 class art book, but I am 2 class now, so we can do whatever we like on our art book. And our copies, books, everything. See? Now I gotta do on the branch. Oh yeah. I need water. Choop, chop. Get in. Come on. Do this. I'm shaking it up, guys. Shake, shake, shake. Oops, that's a lot of detail. No more water to make it a bit cool. Okay, that's enough. That's really enough for me. Oh, we're doing another big. Sorry, guys. I just get confused sometimes. Oh no, wait. I'm running out of these things. I don't know. Your paint, come back here. That's a lot, I think. But we'll try. Oh, that's good, that's good. Good enough for me. Believe it or not, now I gotta do gray, black. Oh yeah, brown. I got it. Ugh. Gotta dry this up like this. Now I gotta do brown. So guys, we're also doing another thing. My kites. Oh no. Shoot. Okay, we're gonna let this dry. One day, see this. Okay, definitely done. Shoot. Fine. You're doing it. Mm-hmm. Starting. So guys, sorry guys, we just had a little break. Okay, we gotta dry this thing first. So guys, this is how it looks. It's not the same as it's supposed to be. See? This is my painting. It's a parrot. I add a bit of dark green like these because the things like deep draw with crayons, but I did. They actually did with paint, but yeah, it looks like crayons. So there's fruits, a parrot, and I paint the parrot. So bye guys. Hope you pray for the world and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.